All of us have the ability to be leaders, he said. Everyone has the potential to become a leader. What makes a leader? And he referred to three qualities. The first and foremost, he said, is the vision. Leaders have dreams, and those dreams are beyond the self. There has never been a leader whose dream has been concentrated on the self. And Imran Khan adds, so my great inspiration is the great Iqbal. Iqbal, in my opinion, was the greatest Muslim philosopher in the last 500 years, and he came up with the concept of a leader. He used the symbol of the Shaheen, or the eagle. And why did the Shaheen soar above everyone else? Which is what makes a leader. Because the Shaheen broke away the chains that keep us grounded. What stops us from achieving this great God-given potential are these very chains. The Shaheen has great dreams. The difference is that a leader dreams what others are scared to dream of. Dream the impossible, said Imran Khan. Dream the impossible, and that dream is not based on the self. Leaders always think bigger than themselves. It's either the nation or the society. And then, in Imran Khan's words, they struggle to achieve that dream. The quality that distinguishes leaders is their ability to take pressure. How do you take pressure, he asks. It is when you struggle. Every time you suffer a setback, you pick yourself up, you resume your struggle, you become stronger. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in jail, but his dream was not restricted to himself. The apartheid regime offered him everything except what he wanted. One man, one vote. A leader never compromises on his dream. The moment you compromise, it is a downward spiral. It's when you stick to your dream and take all the pressure, which you have to achieve that dream, you build that resilience, the endurance, the strength. And of course, being the sportsman, Imran Khan says, it is like physical exercise. The bigger weights you pick up, the stronger you get. So number one is the vision. The vision beyond one's own self and the struggle and the resilience that ensue. Number two, a leader can only achieve his mission if he conquers his fears. The biggest impediment in the way of people achieving their dream is that they get scared. They get scared of humiliation, of failure, of losing livelihood, of losing life. Fear stops us along the way, makes us compromise. There is always a temptation in bad times. This is Imran Khan saying 12 years ago. It's true today. There is always a temptation in bad times to accept something lesser than your dream. And that's where the downward slide begins. As long as you do not accept defeat, failure cannot defeat you. You only lose when you give up. And finally, a leader must have integrity. You cannot be a leader who does not have credibility. People only follow someone who they trust. And ladies and gentlemen, I believe in my heart that all of you are here because you think, because you believe Imran Khan has credibility, he has integrity, and he is somebody who is trusted.